Welcome to our channel, the COMFE. COMFE is actually derived from the computing life. In this channel, we are going to study and cover the computer science. Actually, computer science is the study of what computer actually can do and how computers investigate the best ways to solve the problems in our surrounding in our daily life. In this channel, we are not only going to cover the courses related to the computer science, but we will also try to share the life surrounding by computer science, and that is actually the workshops, the seminars, the other activities regarding the computer science. So all these activities will be shared through this channel. We will also try to cover and share the interviews of the gurus like the experts, the academicians and the industrialists related to the computer science domain. So subscribe the channel and stay tuned while pressing the bell icon of the channel. Thank you so much.